Hello everyone and welcome to my channel HTML Professor. So today we are typing the 14th program, so let's get started. First of all, we'll have to open the notepad. So we'll open it. We'll type the program. We'll type code for web page using MARQUEE. Over to scope the MARQUEE. Now let us start with HTML tag, that is basic tag. Head tag, we'll end the head tag. The new thing in this program is about the mouse event. So let's get started. Now body tag, MARQUEE behavior, scroll, will give the direction left. I will give one mouse over. This dot stop. One mouse event occurs when the mouse pointer is moved onto the element. One mouse out. Will give the name HTML. So now, and we'll end the MARQUEE tag. I will end the body tag and similarly HTML tag. Now let us save it. 14 with the extension HTML and in all files. So now we'll see the output. Whenever I will put cursor towards the sentence, it will stop.